Welcome to Bantayan.
Come to my vlog. There's no bashing, it's for fun.
We're going to the beach already na, baby. You wanna go na? Agad? Alas 4 ng umaga. Ako kuha na.
Ako mabuto, sir. Rin mabuto.
Ito po ang ano.
Ito, sir. Rin kayo moto, sir.
So, after namin umarkila ng motorcycle for 300 pesos per day, dumiretso na kami dito sa Hayden Beach Resort. Dito kami mag-i-stay for 1,800 per night. Good for, ano na yon 6 packs. Kung makikita nyo, ito yung room namin. Ito yung front. Ayan. Hindi ko na napakita yung loob, pero malaki. Kasi dyan ang 6 person or mga 7, I think. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Meron din silang room na for 2 to 3 person, kaya lang hindi available. And then meron silang bar dito na open every night. Makikita nyo dito sa medyo front ng video na medyo marami silang foreigner. And then meron silang music band every Sunday and Saturday. If I'm not mistaken, basta available sila sometimes sa weekend. After namin mag-check-in, nagpagas muna kami ng motorcycle for 100 pesos. Yung 100 pesos namin, parang for 3 days na yun, nalipot na namin yung buong Bantayan. And then, humanap na rin muna kami ng makakainan. Luckily, in the morning, ito yung nakita namin na open na kakainan. Napasok sa budget. Budget friendly, oh. So, ayan, nagsiserve din sila dito ng mga lunch, dinner, I think. Tapos, meron silang free coffee. Kaya lang yung free coffee nila is 3-in-1. So, if you don't drink 3-in-1 or you only drink black coffee, they don't have that here. So, diretso naman dito tayo sa tour sa boat. Ito yung mga babayaran nyo, if ever, yan. 300 for the additional place to visit. May mga choices naman. I think mga 6 yon kung gusto nyo lahat puntahan. Since second time na namin dito sa Bantayan, 2 lang ang gusto namin balikan. So, ayan, bibigyan kayo ng stamp na ganyan para sa environment. Pero hindi na nila yan hinahanap or ng mga pupuntahan nyo. Tapos yung mga pupuntahan nyo, may mga entrance fee na separated tungkol sa binayaran nyo sa boat at saka sa environment. Ay, iba pa yung entrance fee sa mga This is what you want, huh? This is what you want. This is what you want. This is what you want. Dum 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 dum. So dito kami unang pumunta sa Baigad Lagoon Beach. Ayan, ito yung itsura nila. 150 pesos per pax ang entrance dito. 3 years old below is free. Island. I'm gonna show you what it's look like. The island. Yeah. It has like this there. They have activities here like speedboat with the fish, syempre. Boat. Yeah, like that. You can use these cottages. They also offer cook food. They actually offer something that you can enjoy. Yeah. Here is the picture taking area. This one is the part you can play because it's so light. Here, baby, come on. And this is the little girl hugging me. The number one swing. Number one, you cannot use it as a swing. You just have to take picture with it. There's a caution saying no swinging. For picture taking only, and then this part is for picture taking too. Yeah. There's a swing too that my baby enjoyed. Right, baby? Yeah, we're gonna go to another swing, a bigger one. It seems like that one. So it's the Thailand swing. It's with the view. Look at the view. It's so perfect. Later na. Oh, come on. Let's go now because Tita and Dada's waiting for us. Oh, come on. And the kuya, the boat. We're gonna go to another island so you can swing and swim. Okay? Are we good now? Are we good now? You have a tail? Oh yeah, you do have a tail. Yeah, you have a tail.
It's moving.
The entrance fee here is 250 pesos per pax, including kids. This is my 3-year-old. She is also 250. So, and then additional 300 for the boat per location. Actually, the boat fee is 1,000 back and forth for the Virgin Island. It's Virgin Island is a private resort too. I'll show you later. There they have a bar and resto, I think. Anyway, so if you add another location that you wanted to visit, additional 300 pesos for the Tito and Dada is there now. The boat. Yeah. It's the pool. Yeah. We do need to hurry up because hold on. This is the information. and that on the swing. And here you go. That's it for this island. After namin sa Baigad, dumiretso naman kami sa Virgin Island. Don't worry guys, malalapit lang to. Parang from port to Baigad, 10 to 15 minutes I think. And then to Virgin Island, parang mga 20 to 30 minutes if I'm not mistaken, pag maganda yung panahon. Though hindi naman kayo paaalisin ng bangkero if hindi maganda yung weather. So, ito naman ang kanilang registration area. Dito nyo ililista yung pangalan nyo. Magre-register kayo. And then, dito na kayo magbabayad. Cash lang ang ina-accept nila. And then, bibigyan nila kayo dito ng parang tag na ilalagay sa wrist nyo. 3 years old below is free.
Yung cellphone ko.
This is the Virgin Island. Hello!
I am 27.
Don't be like that. Yan, look at the view.
Bansaya.
So beautiful. And the entrance fee here is 350 pesos per person. You can use any cottages you want. It's only for 4 hours. 4 hours. 3 years old below is free. This is the other. This is so pretty. Yan. Ayan. Malawak pa yan. Hanggang dun pa. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. ng jumping cliff. Wala ng additional extra entrance dito. Ayan.
We're gonna do the cliff jumping. Ang ganda. Ang taray ng daan. Oh. It's okay baby. Sarap isipod. Kinain. Yeah, the water. Into cliff diving.
So, ito ang kanilang diving spot. As you can see, may mga lifeguard naman dito at saka may mga life vest. Kung hindi kayo marunong lumangoy at medyo kabado, dalawa yan. Ito yung mababa, tapos andito sa gilid yung mas mataas. Parang 20 feet ata yung mataas.
Uy! Uy! Uy, your mom jump. Wala na. Wala na dito. Yung jump there.
Ay, mag-drone muna tayo doon. Stop mo na yan, love. Stop mo na.
Lamuhin ka tayo ng gano'n, no?
Second day. Akin na.
And I want to move.
Oh, you talk na, baby. Second day in Bantayan Island. So, we're gonna go to the port and good job. Later na again, okay? So, bago kami pumasok ng Camp Sawi, kumain muna kami dito. Sa tapat lang to, nung entrance ng Camp Sawi. Ayan, yung entrance nila. Yun sa tapat. Yung green na kubo. Then, dito. Masarap dito. Pang 2 times na namin balik dito sa sa Bantayan Island. At 2 times na rin namin nakain dito. So, we like it. At saka, affordable. Budget friendly. No, hindi iyan yun. Sarado. I'm sorry.
Kalpa kay kusog palit.
Oh, sabi ko tayo. Oh, yeah.
Pag 3, free pa.
Wala, libre pa.
Kasi 3. 3 years old ka pa.
Oh, isa lang.
Isa lang.
Nga daan.
Pina-age, pina-magkano.
What did I do?
Libre mo mo.
Yeah, you're free because you're only 3.
Entrance fee.
Next year, you're gonna be,
Bayan.
you need to pay for the 20 pesos,
Ibaligyan niya sa niya kay
Dua yagi pa kwan.
Mabilis mo kung nakukuha yung wallet mo? Yeah, me too.
75 po.
Hold on. Go get the wallet inside the bag.
225 tatlo.
How much?
Look at the water. Look at the beach.
Pwede mag-drone niya tayo.
Hello. Ay, dito kami sa...
Hi.
Hi.
This is my
Hi. Did you me?
This is my camera.
That's your camera?
Yeah.
Come on. Get me. Get me. Ano ba yan? Nandito na kami sa Omaji. Omaji Camp.
Mom, can you load this up?
What?
Can you load this up?
Camera na.
Baby, are you sure you don't wanna put on your clothes? Come on, let's go. Your hat. Hat na lang. Wear your hat. You wanna wear... Ready to go. And they have resto here. Yeah. This is
Ayan na, salamat.
Sabi, wag daw magpagtagal. Magpa-picture para mabigyan ako ng tawag ng paano magpa-picture.
Okay. Courtesy ba? Ito naman, pareho ayaw ibili. Ang mga basura sa inyo magdala. Yung mga dala nyo, kayo pala.
dalhin nyo.
Basura ko, bitbitan ko.
Ayan.
Naglibog ka. Oh yes, I'm so horny right now.
This is the camp.
Pagpapatawo ay sa
You okay?
Ano daw yung naglibog ka? Good luck.
And everything. Move.
Ayun yun na.
Go, kayo.
Pwede mo sa kastas eh?
Ay, kami.
Hindi man makontak. Tawagan dyan. Hindi makontak.
Ay. We're going up. Baby, kanta. Up, up. Summer moment. Pinagagyan. Gonna be going. Anong tawag dito? Bakit natin guys?
Hand tricks.
I don't know.
It's hand tricks.
No baby, I'm not talking about the song.
It's a tower.
It's leaning. It's the leaning tower of
Go.
Bantayan.
Up, up, up.
Go.
Up,
Taas,
up.
girl.
Go na, mag-prepare mo na yung drones.
Sweet. Go. Up.
Baby, you're so brave. Are you not scared?
Kiss.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Go.
Ay, memory card dyan, vlog nandun.
Oh my gosh.
Andito. Wala na pag isang memory card pa si Alvin.
Wala eh. Ay, nandun sa ano, wait, yeah.
Ikunin mo muna lang.
Hindi ko na
Nasaan?
makakababa. Wait lang.
Stay there.
Oh no! This is so
Kukunin ni Alvin.
wrong.
It's so hot there.
Sino kukuha ng memory card?
Ako na. Baby, sit down.
Sit down, baby, please.
Bakit dalawa pa tayo?
Bilisan mo na, love. Yung camera muna, yung memory card.
Oh.
Bilis.
yung camera? Ay, yung memory card.
Look at that. Oh,
Hold on.
video.
Bumalik yung kinain ko. They're feeding it. She's feeding it. Sige.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, they have food. Of course. I went there on that Omagica Tower. Welcome to Mangrove Tunnel, Bantayan Island. We're going back na.
So, andito naman tayo ngayon sa Sunrise. Naligaw lang kami dito. Before kasi wala to. So, ito na. Meron na siya ngayon. 50 pesos ang entrance fee per pack.
Before, ito ay inaalok nila is per tent only.
That's a dragon.
Di ba, love,
Ay,
no?
hindi, manok siya.
Dragon.
It's manok. Ay, it's an eagle. Superb Santa Fe Eagles Club. There you go.
That's one.
The place is so wide. Walang ano, no? Wala pang, ano may yun, buhangin. May magandang ano. Check mga sa baba.
sunrise. Katabi lang to nung pinuntahan namin kanina na Enchanted. So, dito is 75 pesos ang entrance fee. 3 years old below is free just like the others. Ito yung 100. Ito 150.
Yan yung kakainin natin agad.
Iba to, magkaiba sila.
Okay
Ito
lang.
yung 100.
Oh,
Ito
sige.
yung 150. Ano sa'yo?
Akin yung 150, nababayaran ko.
Oo, ito sa akin 100.
Sige. Sige, go. Michelle. Ito ba yung tinitinda ni Shubi?
Ratings.
Mga ano? Seashells. Ay, suka, yes.
Parang ang sarap-sarap ng suka nila.
Ah. Okay na pa yun, huwag nyo na pa yung tali. Bango. Salamat po.
Wait lang, may change pa.
Okay na yun. Let's see. May laman ba to?
Oo. Sukitin. Para pwede mo na siya ilagay sa ano, display na.
Oo. Pwede na rin ikwentas. Thank you po, salamat po. Ang ganda niya.
So, this is Akota Beach Resort. Wala silang entrance fee kung kakain kayo sa restaurant nila. And then, dito lang kayo sa gilid, hindi sa front. And then, pwede sila ng card. Pero, with minimum, I think, if I remember correctly, 500 or 1,000 pesos. So, this is the beach in front. Ayan yung resort. And ito yung beach. Pero pwede na kayo dumiretso dito kasi may daan naman dito sa gilid. Wala namang haharang sa inyo and anything.
Look at this. It's just like airplane.
What?
Look at this. It's just like an airplane.
Show it to me. No, not like that. Here. Oh, go. Show it to me. What's that? An airplane?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
Airplane detail.
I look like an airplane seashell. Let's put on your hat. Yeah, put on your hat. Come here, let's put on your hat. Let's put on your hat. I don't know.
Let's get the sun.
Let's put on your hat. I don't know. Tara, dito sa loob. Good evening po. Oh. Meron din silang food.
Meron din.
Ayun o. May malakihan.
Bestseller po namin is seafood boil.
Seafood boil?
Opo.
Pwede na nga tayo mag-seafood.
Tapos
Oh.
Cajun flavor po.
Sarap.
Ito na po yung laman ng seafood boil namin.
Ayan, may crabs and everything.
Ilang ano po
Good
to?
for
Ay,
how
1 to
you-
2.
Ay.
For 1 to 2 po yan, sir.
Ito yung 3 to 5.
Yes, sir. Ito po, may dalawang cup of rice na po yan.
Ito lang.
Tapos yung set B ka...
Magkano yung ganito?
350.
Itong
Opo, vegetable platter po.
gusto ko yun.
Pilipinas.
So, if you wanna like to buy pasalubong, ayan, meron silang dito ng souvenir store. Ayan, kung ayaw nyo naman ng mga ganyan souvenir, meron din dito sa tapat. Kabila lang. Ayan. Tawid lang kayo dyan. Ayan. Madami din sila. Ayan, ito yung gusto ko.
Ganyan na colorful. So, bumili ka na dyan. Hari sa drive. Oo, ayan. Kita ka na nga. Kita ka na ngayon.
Kaya lang, bantayan lang siya. Pero
Ay, ang ganda nga.
Alam mo, wala kami
Ang ganda.
yan lang talaga.
ganito yung bet ko eh. Hindi siya mabilis masira.
Ang ganda nga to. 150. Ako pahinga ako na to.
Kuha ka din yan? Wala nang bawat ko.
Wala naman.
Bawasan mo yung letter N. Gusto ko rin yan.
So, if you need cash, meron sila dito sa tabi ng souvenir shop na ATM machine. Ayan. Tapos, pwede kayo mag-withdraw. Meron din dun sa medyo parang King Mall ata yun. Kung tama ang pagkakaalala ko. So, this is the view from Hayden. Every morning. Look at that. So nice, so beautiful, so amazing. Thank you, Lord. So, after a beautiful tour, ayan na, babalik na ulit kami ng city. Pasakay na yung bus sa Roro. Ang binayaran namin is 820 pesos for 2 adults and 1 kid. Nalimutan ko na kung magkano each. Baby's going to the city. We're going home. Okay, just kidding. We're going to other. Okay. So after 2 hours sa Roro and 45 hours sa bus, dito naman kami sa P2P kasi maaga pa naman kami. So naisip namin i-try tong P2P for 150 pesos or 75 pesos per pax. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our video. See you on our next vlog. Bye-bye. Ingat.